This is an advanced version of a puzzle I posted a few weeks ago. I incorporated a few lessons learned from that project and also came up with a way to reduce the required accuracy. The solution is similar, but I've added some complexity and a little decoy to throw off any ambitious puzzlers. Here's the basic instruction. It is a 3-inch wood cube. Now I didn't have any wood 3 inches thick, so I ended up laminating some scrap pieces together. The ends are made of maple and the center is made of mahogany. The 2 layers of 1/4-inch wenge were used to fill up the stack. The large dowel is made from poplar while the smaller ones are oak. It also contains 4 magnets and 2 steel balls. Overall, it was a very easy construction. It allowed for less tight tolerances compared to the last puzzle. It also ended up looking very elegant using the nicer woods. The solution involves smacking against the 2 correct faces. The 3/8-inch dowel on one end references the sides where the ball will be recessed or unlocked. The ball rolling back and forth is just a decoy, so don't worry about it if it sounds off. Once it's assembled, you will be able to move the pin freely. To put the cube back together, you will need to reference the slit in the side of the cube and the slit in the dowel rod. By aligning the dowel rod back into the cube, you will hit the cube against the sides opposite that you use to take the cube apart. That will align the balls back into the holes, which will put the pin in a locking position. It's a lot less complicated than I made it sound. If the description I've shown so far wasn't clear, here's an animation showing how it works. Note that this is only showing one of the balls. The puzzle needs to be rotated to release the second ball. The most fun part about this puzzle is watching people hit it against their hands as hard as possible, because it not only makes a fun slapping sound, but it also hurts, and it's funny to watch their face. Overall, this puzzle was a lot of fun to work with. This mechanism is great for anyone looking to design their own puzzles. It can be used in a variety of different puzzle boxes and scenarios. There's a link to the free drawings and build instructions shown in the description. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.